everyone, this is Sean. Haven't been on here in a while, but I wanted to show everybody I just got this new juicer, and I'm gonna get ready to check it out. I got the Dan the Generator on the TV there. He's you know, somebody I look up to when it comes to juicing. You know, and back in the day, back in the old days, I used to be into the Juice Man. You know, I don't know, you know, a lot of people know about him. But yeah, so I just got this new juicer. I'm gonna open it up and show you all what it's about. This is a clean itself juicer, so I've never heard of that before. So I'm gonna check it out. This is what the box looks like. All right, there we go. You know, I broke my foot on Sunday trying to do the Malibu 5K. So there's my crutches and everything, but I wanted to get a juicer so I can just be putting nutrients in my body so I can heal a lot more faster. So here we go. This is the unboxing. Comes with instructions. Let's see. You know, little things like this. It's hard to do it with one hand, but there we go. Let's open this up. All right. This is the whole setup here. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. I know I have a shadow here, but that's just what it all looks like. Just demonstrating every little section that works, you know. There you go. All right, everyone. This is what it looks like outside of the juicer box. Very nice. I like this so there's no splashing, you know, when all the juice is coming in there. And this is really nice. And it's very light, it's lightweight. So yeah, I'm really excited to try it out. Just gotta wash it up and clean it up since it's been in a box. Can't wait to start putting some fruits and veggies in there. Nice. All right, this is real cool. Just lift this up, and as you see, this is where you add the water for self-cleaning. I'm still gonna learn how to use this. All right, and then you undo this cap, and let's get everything out of here. There's some paper in here. All right, you undo this to take out this part right here. Be careful, this is like plastic, so if they break, you're kind of screwed, you know. Let's see. Here is some extra little stuff that they're putting in here to keep it safe. This is really nice looking. Nice. There's some tape right here to undo these things. Everything's holding everything in place. Take that off, because you wanna wash this before you use it too. You know, it's been sitting here in a box. So let me come back to you. I don't want to break anything. You just have to take all these stickers off, because there was a sticker wrapped around here that I took off, and you just want to make sure you got everything. Look at that, it even has a little nozzle to help stop the juice, I guess. Still learning how to use this right now. All right, we're gonna try it out. We're gonna test it out right here, and we'll see what happens. Let's go. We're gonna just sit there and cut up some of these fruits and veggies. Got green apples, got celery, got cucumber. And this is just the basics, so we're gonna test it out. All right, here we go. So this is just the basic. You can just juice all the apples, all the celery, whatever you want. But these are things that go well. And I wish I had some better stuff, more things. You wanna put kale, you wanna put spinach, you wanna put all these different things in here as well, but this is just a basic simple one. I already juiced some right here. You turn it on right here. All right, nice little noise. Put it in there like that. Let's push it down. And it goes right in there. That's how it's done. Shut that off like that. Alright, it could kind of shake a little bit, but you just kind of hold it. That's how you do it, my friends. It's a little messy, but you know what? It's got to get done, you know? You got to put this nutrients in your body. You know, this is rough times, 2020, you know? So we got to get healthy. Look at that beautiful juice. I love it. And you know what? This also filters all the gook that's in there, and it only allows the very nice fine juice to come out. Look at that. That's something new as well. Amazing, everybody. Look at that. Love it.